This is the class file that represents the message board that we used earlier in this unit to create a stored cross-site scripting attack. And once again, I'm just going to use ESAPI to properly encode the outputs from the database to prevent cross-site scripting attacks. So the first thing I do, of course, is create this encoder. And then down here, when the data that represents the message, once the message is actually pulled from the database, that's when I do my encoding. I call my encoder.encode for HTML, and it's right there, right before it's printed to the screen that I encode it. I don't encode it when it goes into the database, for the simple reason that it's possible other things will call the database, and they will actually need the original representation of the data and not the encoded. The other thing I do is I make sure to encode the username. The username is also displayed in the forum, and I want to make sure that no one creates a username that could potentially contain a cross-site scripting attack.